and as well as we have another thing called as an outbound delivery. Okay, so here there will be two options for us. One is your outbound delivery order, where you can perform your picking and all your related activities, and then you can perform your outbound delivery, which you can perform your post goods issue. Once you perform this post goods, which is your PGI, it comes back to your ERP outbound delivery, and it serves as a communication back to that. Okay, so this is what, but however, we'll see that scenario. The same way in the comparing to the decentralized system and other things, we don't have this notification basically. Okay, so notification is the one where we see it normally in the decentralized systems, but we will not have that over here. Okay, the first thing. Clear, Mohan, Karthik, and Nicholas?
Yes, Sri. Okay.
I'm sorry, hello?
Yes, Sri, it is clear.
Yeah. Now, in order to have this particular outbound delivery orders to be created in the system, we need to have few of the master data such as shipping points, and we need to have the business partners, which is a customer. Okay, and this needs to be which is a BP over here. This don't need to be transferred, but this particular information needs to be maintained in the EWM system also. So these are the two different master data which we need to check over here. On top of that, we even need to check like all our materials who are being extended to the storage location of 1040. Why? Can anyone tell me, guys, now?
Storage location of 1040 for the sales.
Yeah, because we were using two different storage locations, right?
Yes.
1030, 1040. 1030
Yeah.
is for put away, and I mean 1040
Yes,
might
I
be
mean, like basically the naming convention is 1030 is for receive on dock and 1040 is for available for the sale, right?
okay.
You got me what I'm trying to say?
Yes. Yeah, we got it, Sri.
Yeah. So now, as being we are not performing receive on dock, it's only the available for the sale. Why? Because we are trying to ship out the products out from your warehouse, basically, right? Hello.
Yes, yes.
So that's a one thing which we will be doing it. Now, however, what we have to make sure is the stock between the ECC and as well as the EWM should be in sync. Why? Because if there is no stock sync between both the systems like ECC and as well as the EWM, the outbound deliveries will not be getting created for us. First thing, in order to check this particular thing, we have a set of standard transactions also slash and slash SCWM slash ERP underscore stock check, guys. Just remember that, okay? So ERP underscore stock check. So I mean, like, what is our warehouse, guys? I forgot. WM46 or 46, right?
Yes, 46 it is.
Okay. So I'm just trying to only display the differences. Let's see what we have. So these are all the differences what I can see for a particular material. You see that in EWM I don't have anything, but in ERP I have a 20. The same way you can see all the differences whatever we have. Okay, you see that for this particular material in EWM we have this much, and in ERP we have this much. There is stock discrepancy of 10. Maybe we would not have cleared the queues or something, so that's the reason this was coming up in the system. So normally this will even create an financial postings and all in the real time. But however, okay, this is the particular set of transaction which we will try to clear it off, okay, on a regular basis. Okay, let me see if something or the other it comes wrong, we'll see that. Okay, it's creating. So it went off. Okay, it says that 1040 does not exist, means I have not extended this particular materials. to the other storage locations, I guess. Okay. WM 46 hyphen DEC2. Plant is WM 46 only. It's 1040. I believe DEC1 also I wouldn't have done. Yeah. What happened? Okay. Okay. Now I can check in MMBA transaction, guys. So I should be having the stock. Yeah, 1040 and as well as this one. Why it is still okay? On order stock we have so much, I guess. Okay. Fine then. What about the EC2? Okay. Okay, fine then. Okay, now what I can do is first thing, I'll try to create one business partner, guys. Okay, so the business partner is mainly for, it's a kind of a customer, what I'm trying to do over here. But in order to first create the business partner, I need to have the shipping points, right? So that's the master data which I have to create it over here, guys. Okay.
But Sri, shipping point is not required for an inbound delivery.
Which one?
A shipping point.
This is outbound delivery, he is explaining.
I'm explaining an outbound one, right?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
I mean,
No,
I
basically it's
just
not that mandatory. It's not that mandatory. Okay.
okay for an inbound.
But
Oh,
yeah, but basically you have to create it, but it is not mandatory. But basically, no, most of the cases the shipping points will use it in the outbound. Okay.
yeah. Fine.
Mm, I already had I was this 46 WM only, WM 46, right, guys?
Yeah. You didn't created any shipping point, I guess. I mean, at least I don't remember it, but the naming convention would be like either I mean WM46 or 46 WM. At
Yeah,
times you're creating 46 WM as well.
that's what. It was always my org structure will be either this or that, but I'm not sure. Okay, let me see. If in case if it is there, I'll make use of this one, guys. Okay. Uh, I don't have a value of it.
You can delete the existing and I mean copy it again, right?
I'm just recopying it, right? So it will override the values anyhow.
Okay.
But I don't remember. But let me see. One second. Bah. WM46. It's already assigned, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, last time 46 WM were created. 3.
I've created, okay, because I don't remember.
46 WM.
And then it is there then. I thought that I've not created it and I'm recreating it, guys. Okay, no problem then. Then I have to transfer this. Okay, did I even transfer it? I'm not sure. 1 second.
No, you didn't. I guess at least
Maybe.
you didn't show us transferring of that at least.
Hang. It's not there. Okay, that's fine. I'll transfer this data once, guys. Okay. So the transferring the data, as I said, that you can use this one, guys. Okay, CFM1 here. SPWM46 logical transaction. This, what is this one? PP1. Okay, then it should be T41 or something. No, T41. Because I'm transferring to EWM. No, BP1 is
Okay.
the ERP one, right?
Yes.
So I can't transfer to the same system, no? Shipping points 46W. Okay. So this is the same way what we used to do in the decentralized model also. CFM.
I mean, initially we have done it for plant as well, right?
I've told you, no? Only for the
Yeah.
plant and the shipping point we will do it. What is this? Asset underscore asset condition was violated. Assumed 10th. It's okay, ignore it. Number range issue. Someone is maintaining some number ranges issue. Okay. Yeah, now it has come, guys. Okay, 46W. Okay, which was there now. So I don't need to worry about that. Now what I can do is, as being this is a sales point, we have some shipping point determinations and all. I think it's OVL2 or something. 1 second, wait.
Yeah, OVL2.
Loading group 0001 or 1000. I'm not sure what did I give. I have to check that. Yeah, this is one thing because normally this part SD guys will take care, guys. We don't need to worry about much on this. But as being we were doing it, so we have to take care. Next one. I believe that's fine. Let me see. Who has deleted here? We should have multiple ones, though.
Yes.
Oh my god. I can't, man.
Even it now we are getting some strange issues. Some supplying unit has been deleting every day, one or the other day. I don't know who deletes those things.
I don't know. People always have only this time to delete. I don't. Oh my god. Let me see. I'll make use of TMS. Who has. Normally, I have my own things. Yeah.
Last
Let me.
time only they deleted your that grouping one, your grouping one, but now they deleted other few things as well.
I don't know. I don't know how now the customer creates me or not. I have to see. Internal grouping, it is telling. I don't know what internal it will take here now. Okay, but however, the role we will take as what is the role I forgot here? 1 second. Starts with custom FI. 1 second, wait. FLCU01. What is that? Yeah, that's what.
This is customer.
Yeah, that's what FLCU01. That's what I'm telling you. So let me create and see what number range it takes. 7831, whatever it could be. I don't mind that. Okay, so here I'll try to give my sales and distribution data. I'm trying to take the standard one, guys. Okay, 1010. The whatever I've gave it in the product master, in the material master, I'm just taking that only. What is that? 00. Okay, so pretty much we'll take that. Now, pricing group is okay. That is one thing that's not required. Shipping, delivery priority should be 01. Plant WM46 I'll give so that it automatically gets determined in my this how what do you call in the sales orders. Okay, order combination, that's fine, I don't mind. Why it's still in error orders? Pricing they have deleted, huh? Oh my gosh. See on that. The shipping is there, billing, okay, partner functions, at least these are getting determined. Oh my god. I have to see them because you usually get these partner functions automatically here.
Yes, I mean, we will assign groups to, partner functions. Probably that might be missed out.
I don't think we'll get it. Let me see. And we have to assign financial things also, right? Where does
I
that
mean,
go?
Sri, we can take an existing customer, right? We will extend the sales area.
I was just thinking. I can take and let me see if this doesn't work. I'll do the same way then. Okay.
Oh, okay, fine.
Hmm. Is the data is getting deleted or someone is deleting? I don't understand, man. Okay, we have created with the role of FLCU01, right? And we have another one also, guys. I even forgot what. FLVN00. This is the one I want.
I mean, if you don't mind, Sri,
Hmm.
what is the necessity to make him as a supplier as well?
Which one? That supplier is the role for an accounting one. That's it. Hello?
Sorry, I didn't get you. The thing is like, why you are creating a customer master? I clearly get it. It's a ship to party because of that. But
Mm-hmm.
why you for outbound you need an FI supplier? Does it have any role in our OBD?
Which one you mean?
Now you are creating a customer 7831 with
Yes.
FLV N00, right?
Mm-mm-mm.
So why you are doing that?
Okay, 1 second.
Sure.
Okay. So far, yeah. Tell me now. What is that?
What is the
Yeah,
significance
because
of this
in this business
FI
partner, even this gets expected sometimes. That's the reason I always create it. Okay. Hello.
Oh, okay. Because I know see why you have created as a business partner in ship to party. As you need a ship to party, you created one
Hmm.
business partner for whatever, I mean SAP customer, SD customer, but I didn't understand why you are extending with FI supplier.
Okay, what is the
Again,
one? God, what is the business partner we have created just now?
78321. I lost it here. Sorry.
7.
Some 78 something. I don't remember it. If you go to BP, I guess it will come. 321.
7831.
31.
Oh, gosh. I think it's creating another 38. Oh my. 1 second. Why did I create this thing?
Basically, for SD, FI customer is needed. I don't know about supplier.
Hang on a
Why?
second.
Because yeah.
I think I have to create FLCU 00. Okay. But it says internal only, no? Why come it is not getting created then? This grouping is missing or something is missing up. Maybe shall I take an existing customer or 1 second, then I'll do one thing. I'll take another existing customer, maybe that at least will help me out. Think 1 second, wait. Okay, this grouping is missing. That's one thing. Okay. Apart from that, okay. Okay, that's fine. I have to change this now to my own thing. I'll change this to this. Okay, for this it is coming, guys. Okay, I'll make use of this one. Okay.
Save the change.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm saving it. The customer one, actually, I made a mistake there by taking the supplier. I have to take this one. Company code, what did I have? Customer, okay, reconciliation. Fine. Let me use this particular business partner, guys, because the data was not here. I'll just try to use this one. Let me see whether it gets created delivery or not. Oh, sorry. I think it's external now. 1 second. Okay. Valid bill of material. Why it is expecting a bill of material? Okay. It's okay. Mm, mm. Will be split because of different shipping points. Mm. Delivery different shipping points means the system is not able to find out something.
I mean, basically that message says whenever we have order, right? Whenever we have order with different shipping points. I mean, if a specific order contains two line items or so, and if it has different shipping point determinations, order will split into two deliveries because that is a standard criteria which SAP has provided.
But we have only one shipping point here, right?
Uh, I didn't saw it. I am looking into a different one. Can you open that order if possible? Yeah, because we have only one line item, so obviously it should be only one shipping point determination.
What did I
Some
say?
strange.
Shit, I didn't save the. Okay, because the system is not able to determine the shipping point automatically, I've gave it manually there. That's fine. Let me see. My criteria is to first get the delivery into the EWM system. The rest I don't care. Because normally this master data and all, we will be getting it from the SD guys. We don't need to worry about that. Did I get my delivery or not? What is that? My shipping office is what?
Can you check that supplying chain unit whether
1
some
second, yeah. Maybe I didn't give that. That's what I was thinking.
no, we have given that, but
Shipping office I've not give, right? So how can I expect to come there? Yeah.
only goods receiving office is different. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So I didn't give this and I'm expecting that to come there. I think it should be here. Maybe. Let me see that. No documents found. Very good. Something or the other should be in queue then.
Inbound and outbound both will appear in SMQ2 or like how
Yeah,
it
it
is?
will appear in SMQ2 only. It won't be anywhere. Okay, 80 something. Yeah. That's what you see. Because I've not maintained that shipping office, it automatically got failed here.
Okay.
Yes, it's there now. It's gone. Now what happens here? Finally. Okay. So you can see one delivery has come up in the system, guys. So okay, Mohan, Nicholas, and Karthik, everyone, you can see that,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, we
So
can see.
because we have struggled some of the master data, that's fine. But however, the ideal is we have to have a shipping points and we will have a business partner. Now, as of now, our business partner had some issues because the partner functions got missed and account groups are getting missed, which I don't want to see that now. But however, this is what the business partner which I'm using as of now, guys. You can also make use of the same one. That's fine. Here, what I'm trying to do is we are trying to now, if you see the flow of this particular outbound delivery, we have created a particular sales order and we have created one outbound delivery. Against that outbound delivery, we'll create one outbound delivery order, right? That's what I said. That you see, we'll have something called as an outbound delivery order, and that particular outbound delivery order will have another thing called as an outbound delivery. So this outbound delivery, we will call it as a final delivery document here, guys. Okay, so this particular final delivery document, what happens is it serves as a communication back to ERP, which we will see that now. Okay, now in this particular outbound delivery, what we will do is we will try to pick the goods and then we'll pack the goods and then we'll ship out and all these things we'll do. Okay, now if you remember that in the inbound scenario, we have performed something called as the staging area. Do you remember that, guys? In inbound, we have performed something of a staging area. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is that staging area? Mohan or anyone? Nicholas, anyone? What is that
Uh,
staging area we have seen in inbound?
Staging area is
It's
an
for unloading.
I'm sorry? Sorry, Swapnil. Someone is trying to something. Tell me, what is that?
It's for an unloading purpose.
Yeah. We have a staging areas both in inbound and as well as in
Actually,
the
it's
outbound.
for unloading purposes.
Yeah, either for unloading or either for the loading. We will be using it in both the scenarios actually. But however, we can't use the same thing for both the things, right? So for the inbound, it is different, and for the outbound, it is different. Agree, guys? Hello? Hello?
Okay. Yeah.
No,
Understood.
are you getting it? What I'm trying to say? Hello?
Yes, yes, Sri,
Yes.
we could understand it.
Or you're not
Yes.
able to correlate that?
No, agree.
So what I'm trying to say here is, one second. Staging areas are what? The place where you try to ship out these things, right? So here, let's take this example here. What happens here? We have one inbound staging area which we have created with 9010, if you remember that, right? The same way we have another staging area which is for 9020 also, guys, where we will try to move this to your outbound one. Means all your outbound one will be moving to here and all your inbound one will be for 9010. That is what I'm trying to say here. You're getting my point? Hello?
Yes, we are getting.
Yeah, so what I mean to say that is we even require one staging area even for the outbound. Okay, that is what my thing here. Okay, now when
Okay.
I'm trying to do this particular staging area, first thing is I have to create one staging area, guys. So I'll try to create that. Nicholas, I believe you're understanding that. I'm not sure you're there. So I'm just putting one as my GI zone. Okay. The storage type would be 9020, guys. If you remember that for inbound, we have created this for 9010, right? But here we are creating it for 9020. You're getting my point, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now we already knew that this is an outbound. And obviously, what is the stock type we will be using here, guys? Anyone? What would be the stock type?
F2.
Exactly. It should be an F2. It can't be an F1. Always remember this, guys. Okay, this is very important. So the stock type would be an F2 here. That's one thing. Okay, clear? Now, when I'm trying to create a stock type of an F2 over here, what is happening for me? Because we have given 1040 storage location in my sales order, right? And that get carry forwarded to your outbound delivery, and that's the reason it got distributed and it is getting here. But the warehouse process type, we already know what is a warehouse process type. In the outbound scenarios, it is 2010. Remember that, guys. In inbound, it is 1010. For outbound, it is 2010. You're getting my point? Hello?
Yes, we got it.
Any questions?
Nothing so far.
I'm sorry?
Nothing.
So
Yeah,
I'm
we can
clear on this,
continue.
guys.
We can.
Yeah. Now when we are trying to create an outbound, the first thing is we need to know from where the goods are being picked up normally, right? So we should know from which storage type it has to be picked up. Agree, guys? Because
Yes,
in
yes.
the inbound we have put it away into some respective storage types based on our thing, right? But from the outbound we have to pick the respective stock. Agree? Now if you see
Agree.
this, where is this product here? Now I can see that it is somewhere in high rack. You see this in high and 1111 we had it. So now we can pick it from any of the storage types, either this one or that one, right? But we have to make sure that from where we are picking it. Now what I'm trying to do here is I'll be creating a manual thing which I'm not doing with an automatic one, which we'll see it tomorrow. Warehouse task. Okay. The same way what we have done in inbound also. So now you can see that the stock can be removed, which is not coming. Basically, it comes with an automatic strategies, the default values. Now I have this placed in high rack. So I'm selecting one of the bin manually over here, guys. Maybe this is the bin because it's already there. So let me create it first. Okay.
Uh, I mean, sorry to cut you off, Sri.
Uh, uh,
If what all you're taking this source bin high,
mm,
why
mm.
we have created that GI zone?
Then where you gonna ship your products then? That's the
Okay,
source
GI
bin
zone
and the
is for
destination. Sorry, GI zone is your staging area, right?
okay, okay. Sorry, I forgot. This is
Yeah.
just okay.
So now in this case, it's another way around. In inbound, you'll have a staging area as a source bin and the destination as your hierarch bin. But here you have your hierarch as your source bin. Why? Because you're trying to remove the stock from your hierarch and you will be placing it in the staging area so that it will be loaded into the respective vehicles and then it will reach the customers, right?
Yeah.
But in
Yes.
inbound, you will be receiving it in a source zone and then you will put it away in the hierarch. So inbound is for put away and outbound is for the out, right? In the name itself, it is telling it, right?
Yeah, it will
So
be
for
reverse
that,
process.
we need to have a staging area again, right? That's the reason we have a GI zone, right? That's what I've created now.
Okay, got it.
Got it, right? And you all, I believe you know that from where this is defaultly is getting. That is from your warehouse process types.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
In your warehouse process type, you will be having the bins and then you'll be getting it. Now, one second,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
try
yeah.
the. Uh,
9020 definition of warehouse process type will have
okay.
GI.
I have to take this bin, guys, because this bin I can't take. Okay, one second. Because the stock in that particular bin is not the F1 stock. You see that. The system is proposing the A bin, but I can't take an F1 stock because it's an F2 stock. That's the one
Got
which we have to consider also. Okay, let me
it. Okay.
save that. So warehouse order created. You know what is a warehouse order, so I don't need to explain that. Now, what I'm trying to do here is I'll be using from an hierarch high of this one, sorry, yeah, 9020. I'm putting out this, okay, and I'm confirm and I'm saving it. Once I confirm and I do it, what happens here in an inbound? Let's come back to an inbound. What happens, guys? Once we confirm an outbound, there are two things will happen, as I said earlier. What are those two things, guys? Please tell me.
Once an outbound is done, there will be an outbound delivery order will be created.
Sorry, come back.
So, after creating an this outbound order, there will be an outbound order, right?
In inbound, as I
Okay,
told you
for
that.
in inbound it will perform GR. Sorry, I made mistake
That's
of.
what I was expecting. So in inbound, we'll always have an goods received will performed automatically once we confirm your warehouse order. On top of that, I've told you there is another activity which happens is your stock from an F1 gets converted to an F2. If you remember that, guys. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so what happens in stock from an F, but here that is not required for us because our stock is always an F2. But the other thing is what we can see, we will have the goods issue to be performed. Agree? Because the goods are not been issued, right? You see that the picking was completed, packing we have not yet done because it's a simple outbound. The goods issue
Okay.
was not started over here, right? Now you can see there's a difference here now. Now you see there is no document number as of now. You see that, guys? Everyone. Now, as soon as I click on this particular goods issue, what happens? You see that TU for delivery assignment not found. I'm not doing a TU here. What the hell is this?
What is TU? See here.
That's a transportation unit here. I don't know why this is coming here. My God, system has messed up a lot, man.
Handling unit TU something is different.
No, TU is a completely different concept. Anyhow, we will see that, but
Okay.
it's strange, man. This has messed up a lot, seriously. TU is not found now. Man, I think seriously we have to do something with the system because I'm doing a simple outbound. I don't understand what to do. I have to take a dump of the previous one. My gosh. Maybe let me do another way. Wait. Normally, once we click on this goods issue, what happens is it automatically goes to the that's the last activity, because it doesn't matter whether you have a TU or not, because I'm not creating a TU. Why do I require this? Mm, wait there. We can create this document number manually also. That's another way I had. Okay, document number 1. Okay, final. For the time being, I'm creating it manually, guys. But normally, the standard scenario is as soon as we click on this goods issue, automatically this document number comes. Okay. Now, where we can go to this particular outbound delivery, and I'm performing the goods issue from here. No, TU for delivery assignment not found. Why? Who has made this TU as a mandatory? Okay, this is something in EWM which I can do. I'll do it, guys. Don't worry then. But normally this is not required, because we are trying to perform the goods issue. When we cover the TU concept, you'll understand this. Okay, because the transportation unit is the one where we can perform the goods issue at 2 levels. One is at TU level, the other one is at a delivery level. As of now, we haven't created any transportation units, but someone has made the settings in such a way that it always has to go through TU only, not through the delivery. That is what the settings, what I'm trying to see here. But however, I'll change that. Okay. Now, once this particular outbound delivery gets created in the system, the goods issue will be performed here, guys. Once this goods issue is performed, it goes back to ERP system and it updates your respective outbound delivery. You're getting my point? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Sri. We got
Yeah,
it.
because I'm unable to perform the last step here, which is the goods issue step, because of this error. But normally you will be getting that. Okay. Yeah, this goods issue was not started here, but I'll see this one, guys. This error, I'll see something and I'll try to sort this error. Okay. So are we clear at least a simple outbound scenario? How does it work at least, guys? Hello.
I mean, sorry, Sri, to
Hmm.
cut you. Uh,
Hmm.
when you said that whenever there is an, can you open that note once again, please? You have
Which
a
one?
notepad over there. Notepad. You
Yeah.
have over here when you said that sales
Hmm.
order, OBD.
Hmm.
After that, OBD will be again whatever it will be again coming to EWM. After that, you said outbound delivery. What is this? That outbound order?
Which one you're talking about? That's what, right? We have seen here now. Outbound delivery order and outbound delivery, right?
I mean, what is the difference between both? I couldn't understand that. Say.
That's what I said earlier also, Karthik. Okay. In outbound delivery order, we'll be trying to pick your goods, you pack your goods, and then you ship out here. Okay. And once you have done with this, system will try to create another OD document. This OD document serves as a communication back to your ERP system in order to update your outbound delivery. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
fine. Okay,
Any,
got it.
yeah, because the system will behave in such a way that once you perform your picking, packing, staging, and loading, whatever you have, then only this particular outbound delivery will be created. You're getting that? And this
Oh,
particular outbound delivery, what does it do is it serves as a communication back to your ERP system over here. You're getting me?
oh, yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Thanks,
So that,
Ray.
yeah,
I
that
got
is the one thing which I have, which we have here. So the goods issue can be performed maybe before this post goods issue. I mean, like the before the invoice or after the invoice, whatever it is, we have some things here. So we can perform this or that. That's the reason we have some concept over here. I'll tell you that. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I'll tell you. But this particular step, whatever I have the goods issue and we are facing some error, okay, I'll clear that and I'll see that, okay?
Sure.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
if at all, if you have time,
Mm.
I have one issue.
Yeah, what
Uh,
is that?
if you go to SMQ2,
Mm.
with my use, I mean, how do does it appear with QID or like that? Because I want to go to
It's
save
better
with
if you
you.
have a delivery, but give me a delivery number, that's fine.
Yeah, one sec.
Everything comes with the delivery only. After I click on each and every delivery, I'll come to know what is there. If you have a delivery, just give me out. That is a better way for me.
Yes, VL32. One sec. I didn't connect it to this one.
Sri, before that,
Mm.
there is a warehouse orders, warehouse tasks, even for inbound and outbound both, right? It's a
Yes,
common.
yes.
So, how do we identify this warehouse tasks or warehouse order for
You have a
belongs to
document
inbound
reference,
or
right?
outbound?
In any of these things, you'll have a document reference. In the warehouse order, you can see the document category would be PDI and PDO normally. Okay.
And differing numbering range also will be
Yeah,
different, right?
most of the cases, numbering ranges is there, but in other way, the better way is maybe if you take either anything. I don't know whether it is an inbound or an outbound, but
Okay.
you see this here. The document reference category, if it is an outbound, if it comes as PDI, you see this, it's an inbound. If it's an outbound, you'll have a PDO. Based on that, you can find out. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what the difference category you'll have it.
For warehouse order also, the document reference will be the same,
Yeah,
PDI, PDO.
no, if it is an inbound, it is a PDI. If it is an outbound, it's a different one. Okay.
Now, this is a
And
warehouse task, right? What about warehouse order? For warehouse order also same document reference, PDI for
this is
inbound.
warehouse order, Mohan, not warehouse task. Warehouse order will have a warehouse task. Okay. This is a warehouse order. Okay.
Okay.
In warehouse task, you will not have any document reference. It's just a request. In warehouse order, based on the stock types and based on the activity and based on your document category reference, you can find out whether if it is an inbound or an outbound. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Did you get your delivery, Karthik?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
It is. Okay, can I say it? 180000044995. 1800049995. I just created it now.
No storage bins found. This is the one.
Yes, I have created it, but still it is saying the same.
It's MEGH or what? Which one?
Yes,
4985.
yes, four
You
double
sure?
nine five, 4995.
Four
One
double
eight,
nine five. I don't see it
yeah,
here.
1800049995.
4995. Okay. Receiving office, the same issue, right? What happened in your supply chain
I
unit?
have, yeah, I have given a lot of times. I have deleted that supply chain unit.
What
My
is
supply
supply
chain
chain
is
unit?
EWM, ZEWM,
Hmm.
ZEWM hyphen SU hyphen SU. Yes,
I don't even see that.
I have been doing this a lot of times, but why it is going, I don't understand.
You
Either
haven't created it, right? If it
no, no,
is,
no. The thing is, I have documentation as well with me. If you go to my assignment of that one entitled to dispose, we will have right ERP storage location to EWM warehouse number. If you go there, I have assigned over there as well. Daily, this is the thing which is happening to me.
But did you
Somehow,
transfer this first thing?
yes, yes,
But I don't see that it is created first point. Because if it is
uh,
created, automatically it shows me there, right?
yes, exactly, Sri. That's the point. Even yesterday also, I am
Your
trying to
warehouse,
my ZEWM.
it's underscore SU and you're doing hyphen SU there. It's a custodian and party entitled to dispose. And your supply chain unit is ZEWM. And you're giving some other supply chain unit there.
Okay, that's the issue. Okay, fine, fine, got it. Now I need somehow I changed it. Okay,
You change, you're talking, you're telling that this is the one. And your supply chain unit is ZEWM. And you don't
okay,
have
okay.
it.
Yeah, I will sort it out. Thank you, thank you.
It's okay, I'll clear that
Hyphen.
queue. Okay. So
Okay,
it is expecting the receiving office. Okay. And maybe after that, I don't know what the errors you get there. What is this queue? Has gone off. Okay. Oh, sorry, not this one, I guess, right? This one, no?
4995. Yes.
Now you
Yeah,
can check
thank.
your delivery. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Because
then.
someone deleted my initial this one, so again I recreated
Okay.
something I missed. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. That's what. So
Hello?
we'll check this. Um, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello. Tell me. Who is that?
See,
Yes.
my stock
Tell me.
type.
Uh-huh.
What happened to my stock type? It's not getting
It,
determined in
it,
F2.
it will get created in F2 now because you didn't flag this mandatory field over there. Because of that, it didn't get created. Okay.
Which one?
In your storage type, there is another setting which you have missed out there.
Sri, can you please
Sorry.
show me? Okay, can you show me?
I'm doing that, Swapnil.
Yes.
Someone has locked with this.
Can you show me that one?
Swapnil, 2 minutes, Swapnil. I'm showing you that only.
Yeah, yeah. SM12.
No, someone has locked. I'm just deleting it. Wait for 2 seconds, Swapnil, please.
Okay, okay. No issue. Sri,
Yeah, Swapnil.
not possible?
I'm sorry.
Can we have a call for 5 minutes after this session? Is it possible for you?
Okay, you talk to Naveen. He will arrange you a call for that. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not sure whether Naveen will be available now or not because he might be sleeping now. Yeah, you just call to him, Swapnil. That's not a concern. Okay. The storage drive is taking a lot of time yet.
Yeah. Because last one
This is the
week
setting which
I'm
we
going
was missing,
through
Swapnil.
videos, all the videos.
Swapnil, I believe your internet is not connection is not good, but this is a setting which you have missed out. Okay. Hello? Swapnil, can you hear me? Hello? I'm not sure whether he's able to hear me or not. Swapnil, this is a setting which you are missed out, and because of that, the stock type has not been changed from F1 to F2. Okay? Please check these and try it. It will help you out. Okay?
Yes. G20.
Okay. So, okay, fine. Karthik and everyone will catch up tomorrow, and then we'll see the rest of the things. Okay?
Yes, yes. Thanks, Sri.
No problem.
Thanks, Sri.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay.